The session judge at Panji has granted bail to Pravin Mandrekar and Prayag Palyekar in the Parra Nigerian murder case. Prima facie defense argument is that the accused were not identified during the identification parade and there is no direct evidence against the accused. 9 people were arrested for their alleged involvement in the Nigerian murder case.
A Nigerian was murdered by a gang in October last year at Parra, which later led to a ruckus in a coastal belt. In this case, the court has directed release of accused Mandrekar and Palyekar on bail upon furnishing bond of 25,000 rupees. The counsel of accused, Advocate Galileo Tellis, contended before the court that accused Pravin Mandrekar and Prayag Palyekar were not identified during identification parade and that the prosecution has failed to produce any report in the charge sheet filed in the court in Nigerian murder case. Tellis further argued that there was no direct evidence against accused to relate them to the crime and the case is based on the circumstantial evidence. Public prosecutor appearing on behalf of the state opposed the bail application, countering that accused were involved in the offence. The court, while granting bail, directed Mandrekar and Palyekar not to tamper with the evidence and to be availed for trials as and when required. It may be recalled that Mapsa police, after conducting investigation, had filed a charge sheet alleging that some person with weapons like sword, knife, wooden dandas, glass bottles had formed unlawful assembly and caused serious injuries to a Nigerian, resulting in his death. Offence was registered under sections 143, 147, 148, 341, 326, 302, read with 149 of the Penal Code. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Deep-sea mechanized fishing ban has begun. From 1st June to 1st August, fish markets will be dry for deep-sea fish. The fishing ban came into force from Sunday, which saw trawlers across the state parked at the jetties. Markets won't see a fresh deep-sea fish for almost 2 months from now. Dry fish rates in the market too have inflated following ban on deep-sea fishing. It's almost 50 to 100% rise. Watch report.
This will be a scene at jetties across the state for coming 2 months. Government has issued a notification on ban for 61 days. The monsoon is set to reach Kerala and will touch Konkan belt in next few days. Now are the days for dry fish. Traditional rampon too will get a good price. With onset of monsoons, state has banned mechanized fishing for next 61 days, starting from June 1st, as it helps to conserve breeding fish during the monsoons.
Fishermen to begin 75 days. So from June 1st to August 1st, 60 days.
Have a look at this fresh fish. There was still a variety of fish in the market on Sunday, a last scene of passing season in the next 61 days to come. Goenkas may still find this fish variety in the market, but definitely won't be a fresh one. While the deep-sea fresh fish was on its way to exit, markets are getting loaded with the dry one, though a bit expensive and prices inflated this time. Inflation is almost 50 to 100%. With the ban period raised from 45 days to 60 last season, the fish catch in the state has witnessed a rise. Considering the effect, state had plans to extend the fishing ban from 60 to 75 days this season. But with opposition from the fishermen, it was again restricted to 61 days. Fishermen demand a uniform ban for all coastal states. Reporter Dattaraj Naik for Prudent.
Goa Tourism Department is expecting tourists from Arabs and Turkey this monsoon season. Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar says they have tied up with tour and travel agents in their recent participation at Trade Mart at Turkey and Dubai. He says that during this period he wants to promote medical tourism. Parulekar stressed that spa therapy is also what Arabians are looking forward in Goa.
त्यांच्या रिजन जो आसा अरेबियन कंट्रीज आसा ते पावस पडना ते पावसाक खूब उमेदी त्या खातीर ते येवचे अशें म्हणून आमी खूब जाणां वांगडा टाय अप केल्लें आसा ट्रॅव्हल एजन्सी टूर ऑपरेटर आहा हेंचे कडेन आमी तांकां डिनर दिवन तांकां उलाप केल्लें आसा आनी डेफिनेटली ह्या वर्सा इतके वर्सां स्टार्ट जावंक नासलें पूण ह्या वर्सा स्टार्ट जातलें. आमचे कडेन कनेक्टिविटी आहा. देर इज अ डायरेक्ट फ्लायट. आमचे कडेन अपग्रेड केल्ली ही आसा, हॉस्पिटलां आसा. तांकां मेडिकल टुरिजमा खातीर ते येता एक. आनी स्पा त्याचा आवडतो विषय म्हणटा पळय तो स्पा.
स्टँडर्ड स्पा जावचे म्हणून कितें प्रयत्न चालू आसा
आमचे कडेन
पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डान मोर दॅन 50 स्पा मसाज पार्लरांक
सी तूं सांगता तें बरोबर. ते पळय आसा हे बारीक हे आमचे स्पा मसाज सेंटर्स. हे मसाज सेंटरार ती सगळी नाडीजिंगां चलता हें सगळ्यांक खबर आसा. पूण हांव उलयतां पळय फाल्यां एरेबियन टुरिस्ट जो आयलो जाल्यार हो पणजेच्या हितूर बारीक हॉटेलांत रावचो ना. हो रावलो जाल्यार 7 स्टार किंवा 5 स्टारांत रावतलो. आयज सगळे 5 स्टार हॉटेलांत स्पाची तेंच्यांनी अरेंजमेंट बऱ्यापैकी केल्लें आसा. टर्कीच्यान टर्की गव्हर्मेंट टर्की एअरलायन्स तांच्यांनी इंट्रस्ट दाखयला की गोंयांक डायरेक्ट फ्लायट करचे.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.